अभी क्वीन है ना मेरे पास।
बिल्कुल है।
पहले तो है थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सो मच। टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट का
मंदी वाले हां एक बार भाई मेरे को उठा ले
क्या लीग डेवलप किया। वेल डन।
ओनर
ऑल द बेस्ट टीम। लीग ओनर है गुरुजी।
टीम ओनर है।
आई कंट्रीब्यूट इन दिस पिक्चर।
I'm in this picture.
थैंक यू भाई।
सब लोग थैंक यू ये थोड़ा पीछे में अंदर गया थैंक यू समोर अंकिता जी बिक्की भैया अंकिता जी बिक्की भैया अंकिता जी है
सोलो नहीं
सोलो नहीं किया
इकडे पुढे पुढे पुढे
अर्जुन भाई आपका हैप्पी दिवाली
दिवाली की शुरुआत अच्छी हो रही है।
थैंक यू।
मुंबई को सपोर्ट
चलो थैंक यू भाई
थैंक यू सर। मुंबई किंग्स खड़े रहे।
थैंक यू
Tennis Ball Cricket League. Let me tell you quickly about All Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming. My owners, my captains, my friends, my wife, my family, Apu, everybody, thank you for coming. The press, thank you for coming. This is a vision that I've had from the last couple of months that we must do something with cricket. We've done something in Kabaddi, we've done something in football. You all are aware of the All Stars Football Club, the All Stars Footy League with the influencers. So I thought, why not make something with cricket? The best thing to do is tennis ball cricket. These guys are the captains, the players, all conscious about a ball hitting their face. So tennis ball is yet okay. Hard ball will give them a black eye or a black face. We don't want that happening. So I'm very thankful to all of them for accepting this league, the captains, the owners for putting in the money and buying the teams, the franchise owners, and lots of players from the film industry who have taken part in the registration process, then into the draft, then came for trials where they were given scores by the coaches, and then finally we had a draft today early in the evening, and the teams have got selected. We have 11 players in every team with every captain. There are some great rules which Shushmita has explained to you all. But simple line hai, बचपन का खेल करेगा entertain, अपना game, अपने rules. तो अपना league, अपने rules. तो जो rule हमें सही लगा, उसको हमने add किया to make it more interesting, more interactive. उसमें एक rule ये भी है, जब ball audience में जाएगी, तो making it interactive for the audience and get them involved. If they catch the ball with one hand, the player is out, and also he gets a gift hamper. So that's another rule that we've added, which will make it more interesting and interactive for the audience that is present on ground. It's being telecast live on Sony, so I hopefully feel that there'll be a lot many more people who'll be watching it. Maybe the year one, it'll take time for everybody to understand the rules. But the rules are pretty simple. Once they see the first game, they'll understand that it's pretty cool and pretty easy to play. That's all I'm going to say. And with that, I would like to call on stage my friend, my buddy, my director, Apurva Lakhia, who is the technical director of this league. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Apurva Lakhia.
Let's hear it up for Mr. Apurva Lakhia, the technical director of the All Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League.
He purposely walked up to show that he can walk the...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and the press media. Thank you for coming and making the time. The most important thing about this league, which Bunty has dreamt of and we're making it come alive today, is the rules. Elder statesmen in this film industry and eventually taking the sport very seriously. We made the rules in such a way where it is friendly, it is fun, it is fast moving, and it is going to be competitive because I know all the captains and they have competitiveness in their blood. So it is going to be fight till the end, and we are very excited that this tournament is coming, and I hope it's fun for everyone to watch. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Bunty and Sir Apurva Lakhia, for your valuable time.
I want to take this opportunity to wish my brother Bunty Walia and the All Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League all the very best for the tournament, for the launch, for the draft, and for it all. It's a fantastic concept, and I'm so excited to see the tournament once it starts. Good luck, guys. Have a great season, and you never know, maybe next season I'll try a bit of bowling myself. Good luck. Enjoy yourselves.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Dutt, and I wish Bunty and the All-Star Tennis Cricket League all the best. Do well, brothers.
Bunty sir, wish you and your All-Star Cricket League all the very best. Looking forward to watching the great matches.
Hi guys, I'm Arjun Kapoor and my friends are playing in the All Stars Tennis Cricket Ball League. I'll be watching them and so should you. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Babil, and all my friends are playing in the All Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League coming this November, and I will be watching them, so should you. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, I'm Apar Shakti Khurana and all my friends All Stars Cricket League. I'll be watching them, so should you. Stay tuned.
Ruling.
Assalamualaikum Adab, my name is Taha Shabadusha and my dear friends are playing the Tennis Ball Cricket League and I'm going to be watching them and so should you. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, this is Shabir Ahluwalia. I'll be watching my friends play the All Stars Tennis Cricket League. So should you. Stay tuned.
What's up guys, this is Ahan Shetty. My friends are going to be playing in the All Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League. I will be watching them and you should too. So all the best and stay tuned.
Hi guys, this is Adar here. All my friends and family are going to be participating in the All Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League. It's going to be super fun, super exciting. So I definitely think you guys should be watching. I definitely will. Stay tuned.
A big round of applause, everyone. For his roles in Dil Mil Gaye and Remix. He has also appeared in popular reality shows like Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi. And he's also accompanied by his coach, Rajesh. Pranay. Next up, we have Unleashed Tiger with captain and team owner Vicky Jain. Vicky Jain is an Indian entrepreneur and the managing director of Mahavir Inspire Group, which operates in coal trading, logistics, power plants, real estate and diamonds. And he is accompanied by his coach, Rajesh. Can we hear it up for Mr. Vicky Jain, please? And he is together here with Mrs. Ankita Lokhande Jain. Representing the Mumbai Kings, we have Arjun Bijlani, who is both captain and owner. Arjun Bijlani is an Indian actor known for his roles in popular Hindi TV shows like Mile Jab Hum Tum and Nagin. He also won Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi. And today he is accompanied by his coach, Sandeep. A huge round of applause, please. Let's keep the energy going. He's here with his wife, Mrs. Neha Bijlani as well. A huge round of applause again, please. Gujarat Lions are led by Amir Ali as the captain, alongside owner Dhruvan Shah. Amir Ali is an Indian actor and model who started his career with a commercial for Bajaj scooters and went on to feature in ad campaigns for major brands. Whereas the owner Dhruvan Shah is the founder of JoJo, the world's first free Gujarati OTT platform. He aims to create a comprehensive and immersive viewing experience. They are accompanied by their coach, Ankur today. A huge round of applause, please. For the Chennai Ninjas, we have Manish Sharma as the owner and Surya Sharma as the captain. Manish is the co-owner of BCC Music Factory, founder of the Sundowner Music Festival and MIC, and the owner of OZ360 Music Label and much more. Whereas Surya Sharma is an actor known for his prominent roles in movies like Andeki, Hostages, and Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. Let's welcome them on the stage. They are here accompanied by their coach, Omkar. We still are going on. Next up, we have Pune Falcons, led by the captain Rohit Roy, alongside his owner Anup Agrawal. Rohit Roy is an Indian actor known for being a man in multiple talents, from TV shows to films and even launching his own fashion brand, Rohit Roy for Stitched. And Anup Agrawal is a seasoned leader with 20 plus years of experience in all banking sectors. He's now an entrepreneur, startup investor, and philanthropist. They are accompanied by the coach, Nandu. A huge round of applause, everyone. Next up, here we have them. Next up, we have Rajasthan Jaguars. They are represented by the owner Anil Jain and captain Karanveer Bora. Anil Jain is an entrepreneur and film producer with 22 years of experience across industries like automobiles, construction, film production, and CCTV projects. As chairman of the Kush Group of companies, he also founded the Kundan Social Foundation, focusing on education and health. Whereas Karanveer Bora is an Indian actor, producer, and designer, known for his chart-busting TV shows like Kasauti Zindagi Ki, Nagin 2, and many more. They are accompanied by their coach, Dinesh today. Let's have a huge round of applause for Anil Jain and Karanveer Bora tonight. And finally, the last team of the All-Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League is the Punjab Bulls with the team owner Raj Kundra and their captain Ali Goni. Raj Kundra is a British-Indian businessman and actor, ranked as the 198th richest British Asian. He has also made successful investments in sectors like sports, entertainment, mixed martial arts, and hospitality. Ali Goni is an actor and model best known for his role and also for his most watched TV shows like Ye Hai Mohabbatein and being one of the top 4 finalists in Bigg Boss season 14. We'd now like to have one of the iconic group photos for the ages. So now you all can take your position, smile, cheese as we present the owners and the captains for this season of All-Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League. I like this energy, guys. Let's keep this going. we say cheese, everyone? Now the question is, who's gonna take the trophy home this season? Thank you so much, everyone. I would like the team owners, captains, and coaches to please take their seats. Thank you so much, everyone.
मैं लिस्ट देख के बता दूंगा कौन स्ट्रांग है, बिकॉज सारे लड़के मेरी टीम में खेलते हैं. मैं बता दूंगा सर, डोंट वरी. आई लाइक द प्लेयर्स. दैट राज कुशल इज द बेस्ट ओपनिंग बॉलर. उससे ओपनिंग बॉलर करेगा. चुप रहे. Okay, we just sing the song, and obviously it was fun composing it because it was more about bachpan. It was more about हमने जो गली क्रिकेट खेली है. It was more about emotions. That's what Bunty always said, that कि this is about emotions. It's about all of us coming back and playing a थोड़ी glorified गली. मनीष में. So we just
गाना बहुत जल्दी बन गया because बहुत full swing में बंटी ने हमें इसकी brief दी थी कि ऐसा गूगली मारो. तो we made it very quickly and here it is for you.
बचपन में निक्कर पहने बल्ला वल्ला यार घुमाए, कॉलेज से कल्टी होके हल्ला वल्ला यार मचाया, यादों की गुल्लक में से पहले बैटिंग आओ निकाले, बॉल जो खो जाए तो 10-10 के फिर नोट निकाले, गलियों के जैसे देखो फील्ड है सजी, खुशियों की आज कोई बाउंड्री नहीं, फिर क्रिकेट खेलने की चुल है मची, अंदर की इस फीलिंग को रोकना नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार कि जीत हो या हार.
Can we have the track, yeah, guys? Come on, let's find it.
Can we have the track, please?
फिर क्रिकेट खेलने की चुल है मची, अंदर की इस फीलिंग को रोकना नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार ये जीत हो या हार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार ये जीत हो या हार.
मैं क्या कह रहा था कि
शूटिंग वूटिंग छोड़ के सारे आए हैं सब धूम मचाने, एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग डांसिंग वांसिंग हो जाने दो यार यहाँ पे, शूटिंग वूटिंग छोड़ के सारे आए हैं सब मूड बनाने, एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग डांसिंग वांसिंग हो जाने दो यार यहाँ पे,
खुशी कभी गम कभी एक्शन, इस खेल का यही अट्रैक्शन, हर मैच है यहाँ ब्लॉकबस्टर हिट फ्लॉप की नहीं कोई टेंशन, रीटेक का नहीं कोई लक बाय चांस, यहाँ वन टेक सीन लेट्स डांस रोमांस लाइक अ स्टार दैट यू आर, एनिमल टाइगर बाजी गारंटी, यहाँ लेडीज कभी नहीं होंगी लापता, दिल चेयर फॉर यू चलेगा, जिन गलियों को निकला तो छोड़ के आज जिंदगी ले आई उसी मोड़ पे सारे यार, कलाकार बेसबर बेकरार, नो वरी नो फिकर दिन जिंदगी के चार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार चाहे जीत हो या हार, ये दिन जिंदगी के चार, सारे साथ छक्का मार, सब खेल
रहे हैं यार मेरे स्टार कलाकार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार ये जीत हो या हार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार ये जीत हो या हार. Go, 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 ASTCL, go, 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 कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार कि जीत हो या हार.
वैसे शक्ल से लग नहीं रहा है, अर्जुन बिजलानी लग रहा है, मैं तो जीत के ही रहूंगा.
Well, we'll all, सारे दोस्त we
Rohit
all getting
bhai.
together playing guys. So it's-
Wiki.
जिसकी जो भी टीम हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, जीतो या हार. Love you all. Thank you Bandi Baji. Thank you Appu sir.
so much.
Love you all. Thank you.
Love
man.
you guys. Thank you so much.
पर सर बड्डे बाजी इतना बढ़िया हुक स्टेप बनाया है बॉलीवुड वाला, तो आपने डांस करके एक शूट तो करना चाहिए ना अपने कैप्टन के साथ बाजी. Love you बाजी. Thank you guys. Thank
Cheers,
you.
guys.
Thank you.
All
I
the
would
best.
like you to be on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manmeet sir and Harmeet sir. I would like Vanessa ma'am to please be on the stage. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Suraj Samant. So he has left the venue right now. So let's move on to Mr. Asif Bhamla. Can we have Mr. Asif Bhamla on the stage, please? Funding his mission nationwide under the tagline, "We love India." Thank you so much, Mr. Asif Bhamla sir, for joining us tonight.
Thanks, Bunty, for having the foundation be a sustainable partner. I know this match is going to be definitely very sustainable, but with us being part of it, we'll ensure that the green blanket is around that. So Bamla Foundation is happy. We will ensure that the entire match is sustainably done. We'll have eco-friendly waste, non-use of plastics. We'll ensure that the garbage collected there is also recycled, composted, and reused there and then. Of course, we have solarized. The materials used will be all sustainable. So we're planning a proper plan with Bunty and his team to ensure that the message, बचपन का खेल है तो आजकल क्योंकि environment के सब conscious लोग हो गए, you know, right? I mean, I don't think anyone from here is not involved with my foundation any which ways. सारे लोग, Raj is not involved except Shilpa is. So after this, I'm expecting Raj also to be part of this. So we've everyone is acquainted, and बचपन का खेल तो बचपने से ही हम schools में इसको implement करते, and आज Bunty has been kind enough to have us on board. Thank you so much. I wish you guys all the best. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Asif sir. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Vineet Danda, the advisory committee of the All-Stars Tennis Ball Cricket League, on the stage, please. Round of applause for Mr. Vineet Danda. Thank you so much. Next up, I would like to call upon the stage. Rakesh Malhotra, everyone. go.
But before we conclude for the night, the trophy for which all the teams are going to vie and play for is here. It needs to be unveiled. I'd like to call Asif Bamlaji on stage. Where is he?
A huge round of applause for Mr. Asif
And
Bamla.
I will also request all the 8 captains to come on stage. And my lovely wife, Vanessa Walia, on stage.
A huge round of applause for all the team captains and Mrs. Vanessa Walia.
And the technical director, Apurva Lakhia. Ali's already started practicing. He's got a ball with him already. Ye to... Okay, come.
तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
Guys, come
जोरदार तालियों के बीच स्वागत करें हमारे टीम कैप्टन्स का.
Appu. Appu. नहीं, वो Vanessa लगे. Appu आ जा.
The moment of truth.
So guys, this is the trophy that they're going to be playing for. It's really heavy. I wish it was pure gold, but it's not. Next year, hopefully, okay? So with not taking too much of your